Hey there, Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. Today we're going to make some chimichurri for you. Love this chimichurri. Chimichurri is great on everything. It's great on steaks and chicken, seafood, shrimp in particular. It's also great, it makes a wonderful base for a marinade if you want to marinate stuff before you throw it on the grill, as well as the sauce afterwards. Heck, mix it with a little mayo and put it on some of your sandwiches. You're going to love it. So let's just go ahead and get started. The base on the chimichurri, we're going to do some of the parsley. Of course, we'll use that flat Italian parsley. A little bit of cilantro. I like a little oregano in there. Of course, some garlic, a little crushed red pepper. We've got some lemon and lime. And I do both the zest and the juice. And I did a little blended oil. And that's about it. I'm just going to blend it up. Make like a Latin American pesto, if you will. So let's just go ahead and get started. So we've got some of the parsley. I've already got this washed up and everything. You want to do that. And then we just nip this off, and you can use most of that. And we're just going to go ahead and pack our little blender up. Get started with this next one. We got some of the parsley, and we're going to get some of the cilantro. And I like to go like 2 to 1 on the parsley to the cilantro. Seems like that's a nice mix. And again, you can just pack that all right in there nice. We'll go a couple cloves of garlic. And then we're going to do a little bit of that crushed red pepper. Now you don't want a lot of this, but you do want to give it a little bit of a spice. We've got a little bit of the oregano, and we're going to do the same thing. Now the oregano, because of the heavier stems, we might pick a little bit off here. And we're just going to rip some of that off and give it some of that. And then we've got I've got a little lemon zest and a little lime zest. We can do a little bit more here as well. And you can use your microplane or you can use your zester. We're blending this up anyway, so this goes a little quicker. It's a little easier. So we got some of those and a little more lime. And then we'll use the juice out of these as well. And then to help carry it, we're going to use a little blended oil. And I just use like a canola olive oil blend. So we got a couple limes and a couple lemons. And we're just going to give these a little squeeze right in there. So we'll just squeeze all these. And I'm just catching the seeds as they fall through. Use your hand as your sieve. Some of those limes are a little dry, but they're still going to have nice flavor. All right, and we're going to put a little salt and pepper in there. And get this ready to blend up. And then we're going to use our blended oil here and get it going. There it's coming together. And you don't need a lot of oil in there, just enough to help blend it through. And once it gets going, we'll give it a little stop, and we're going to give it a little stir. Make sure everything gets blended up real nice. And then you blend it up to where it's a nice consistency, how you want it. Here, look at that. That's beautiful. All right. Then we've got our chimichurri here, and you see look at that. Beautiful. bright green colors. And this will actually keep really nice for you too. So you can go ahead and make this up a little ahead. Mix it up and keep it in one of your little mason jars. You know, and then you have it in the fridge, and it's, like I said, it's a great all-purpose everything. So there's some chimichurri, and we'll be looking at that again after a little bit. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think down below. Give me a comment. Thanks. This is Chef Jeff at White Apron Catering. Enjoy.